Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail password. So if you want to change Gmail password, what you have to do, just open Google Chrome in your PC, and now here you will see your profile pic. Just click on profile pic, and here you will see manage your Google account. Okay, so now click on manage your Google account. Now here you will see personal info and data and privacy, so you have to just click on personal info. Okay, so when you click on personal info, you have to scroll down, and here you will see password option. Just click on it, and now you have to enter your password, so it can verify that it is you. So I'm to enter my password here. Okay, now click on next. Now wait for a few seconds until it verified. Now here you can just enter your new password and confirm the new password. Means you have to enter same password here and here also. And now what you have to do, just click on change password. So when you click on change password, your Gmail password will be changed. So like this you can change password in uh, your Gmail. So if you like this video, like my video, and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.